Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open the sandbox in Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to have already a sandbox that is added into your organization. To do so, you need to go to the setup page and from here, you will need to simply type sandbox. So I'm just going to type sandbox and from here we will find all our sandboxes. So you can create anyone, depends on your sandbox licenses. So I already have my sandbox here, and if you want to log in, you can simply click on login by clicking here, or you can simply go and log in into your sandbox by going to the link sandbox.salesforce and you will be able to connect your sandbox. So basically we need to go to test.salesforce.com and from here you will be able to log in into your sandboxes. So the password will remain the same as your username, but here for your username you will need to add, for example, it will be something like that. Uh, and then you will need to add the name of your sandbox. So in my case, my sandbox is named new. So I will need to add points new here. And then I will add my password. Then you will need just to log in into Sandbox. And from here, you will be able to uh, access to your sandbox and login in. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.